One thing I love is helping first-time property investors. We've been in business, I've been a property investor together with my wife for the last 20 years. We've got the runs on the board. We got to a property portfolio in excess of 15 properties. So I've got the experience, I've been there myself. And this is one thing that sets us apart in our business. We only propose to do what we are prepared to do ourselves. Ultimately, it is about setting up a property portfolio. One investment property, that's where 87% of people get stuck. One investment property will not make a change in your financial future, will not guarantee options in retirement, will not be able for you to leave a legacy. But this is the ultimate goal for most people. So it is important to start off with the right foot and to start off with where are you at, where do you want to go, and then only can we develop the how to get there. It needs to be a system, because systems work.